Hannah, fall is finally here. Are you ready for pumpkin pie, hot chocolate, and cozy nights by the fire?
Oh, yeah, but I need a new quilt to cuddle up with.
We have some beautiful fall fabrics for you.
Well, keep watching.
Hi, it's Fran Morgan.
And Hannah with Fabric Cafe.
And today we have 8 quilts from the book 3-Yard Quilt Favorites, and they're all done in beautiful fall fabrics. So let us start with the first one and show you that fabric and quilt. This quilt is Dancing Geese, and is this not striking? And these colors so yummy. We've got the nice bold red and golds with the flying geese and a great pattern on the border. So let's check out the fabric. So Hannah, this one's interesting because I like the way we put this together. We did something a little different. We put this red as our focus fabric. And the reason why we did that is to make sure that we had plenty of contrast between our flying geese here and our half square triangles. So this is a gorgeous red. So of course you see here all of the triangles. And then our number 2 fabric is this gold. And both of these fabrics just look fantastic with our number 3 fabric, which is our print, which we've put on the border.
Which is so nice because the border is such a large piece, so you see a lot of it.
Yes, I agree, and I just love it because these fabrics just look so good with that number 3. So it just works out perfectly. So this one is called Fall Foliage, and the number is 8022505. And just to mention, we not only have the kit online for you, but we also have some fabric by the yard. So if you want to make it a little bigger or some accessories to go with it, you've got that option.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, let's check out our next quilt. Our next quilt is Hopscotch, and I love the contrast that we have in this one. And it takes a little bit more traditional take on the fabric colors. So let's put it on the table and take a closer look at that.
Hannah, I love this. And you know, it's interesting, whenever I see these fabrics, and especially in these colors, I do think of like a traditional Thanksgiving time.
Yeah, it seems very, I don't know, classic.
It is. It's like you're going to family and you're going to your grandma's house or something. I just love that. I think it's very comforting.
Yeah, comforting. I think that's a good word for it. And I have to point out the quilting on this one, when we put it on the table, it just looks so fun. She used like a leaf.
It is
and
fun.
kind of in
I
a
love
creamy
it.
thread, and so it just pops up on these borders so nicely.
It does.
Your focus fabric is this really nice little floral on rust, and that's going to be in your number 1 position. Then we've got our number 2, which is this little like berry on this taupey tan, so that will pick up really nicely the little tan flowers. And then for your number 3, we've got a little flower with that rust color and some of the tans and reds, and that will be your number 3.
That is great. That is so sweet. Just love it.
So pretty. And the information on this one is 8022506 Adamstown, and the pattern is Hopscotch from Quilt Favorites.
We have 9 patch here, and this is like typical fall fabric, and I just love it because we've got our 9 patch with our pumpkins and our sunflowers and kind of this kind of gold beige that kind of looks like a basket a little bit, so it just blends all together so well. So let's check out the fabric kit.
I must admit, I'm a sucker for pumpkins.
What is it about pumpkins?
I don't know.
Don't you? I love the time of year when you go to the grocery store and then all of a sudden you realize they've put out their pumpkins and their mums.
Oh, yeah.
And it's like, oh, it's fall, finally. So this is just so charming, and I love the pumpkins on this. And the neat little flowers here on here, the sunflowers is great. So our pumpkins are in the 9 patch here, which is perfect. And then our number 2 fabric, and to me these are very textural fabrics, and they kind of remind me like it would be a basket or I don't know.
It looks kind of like wool to me.
Oh, that's what it looks like.
It's not wool, but it has that like warm feeling.
And I just think it coordinates so well with our focus fabric. And you can see it's also in the 9 patch there. So then our number 3 fabric is this great sunflower on the green that coordinates so well with our pumpkin. And it's also in these squares on the 9 patch. So it just creates such a charming thing. And I love the number 3 fabric on the border here. It really frames it well.
Well, and you know, Fran, if for those of you who are not really familiar with our products and things, we have a book deal online where if you buy 3 kits, you can get a book for free.
Oh.
And all you have to do is when you pick your kit, you'll click the book deal when you select your pattern, go through the checkout process, but before you click submit order, there will be a little comment box, and put your book, the title of the book you want there, and then they'll add that to your order.
That's perfect. Good to know. Thank you.
So if you see 3 that you like today,
I've already
maybe
seen
Quilt
3
Favorites.
that I like today. So let's tell them the kit information on this one. It is called Woolly Autumn, and the number is 8022507. And again, it is the 9-patch pattern from the book Quilt Favorites.
next up we've got Pinwheel. And this is fun because it takes sort of a different colorway. When we think of fall, we often think of oranges and browns and things like that. But here we've got some denim-y blue. So let's put this on the table.
This is an interesting color for fall, but it feels so fall still. It's so nice. Very warm blue.
And I guess, I don't know, there's something about like that denim-y kind of blue that it makes sense for fall. I don't know why that is.
Because you pull out your denim jackets.
Oh, that's true. That's right.
So this is beautiful.
So we've got our focus, which is this beautiful blue and greens and oranges flower, which will be on your border. And then we've got acorns.
Which is definitely fall.
Yeah. And they're so very cute. And that'll be your number 2, which will really create all of your design to just... And then we've got our number 3, which is this like denim-y flower, which will be in your pinwheel.
And then what did we put on the back of this quilt?
Great question.
Oh, I love it. You know, it's like a beige that coordinates so well with this, but it also has a little texture. So when you're picking backings, I always like to look at like the secondary colors in our main fabric, but then also get something that has some texture, some interest to it, so that if it is folded with the back showing, it still looks really good. And of course, the quilting always helps to see all those beautiful patterns.
That's true. And you can see on this one, you can really see all that quilting pop up off the back.
Acorns.
Yeah, acorns and little leaves.
It's very cute. Very,
That's
very
so
cute.
fun. All right, well, your kit information on this one is 8022508 Slow Stroll, and that is the pinwheel pattern, and that is from the book Quilt Favorites.
Well, this one is so much fun. You've got to love Halloween. I love Halloween. And this one is a quick, super fast pattern that you can put together for Halloween. And we've actually got a fun, almost a double focus, not quite, and then this great orange sashing this. And this is our pretty simple quilt. Let's look at that kit fabric. Halloween is so close. But this is so fast, there's absolutely no reason you couldn't completely get this done before Halloween. So whenever you're waiting for all of those doorbells to ring, then you can cuddle up with your quilt. It's perfect.
I have to say, this one might be my favorite because I love Halloween. I think it's so fun, and these dancing skeletons are great.
Great. They are great. So
If you've seen some of your favorites, let us know.
oh yes, let us know which one you like best from the video. So this fabric is fun. So we've got all the spider webs in the background. We've got our candelabra, our little owl sitting on there, our pumpkins, of course, and our skulls, just to give it a little touch of creepy. Creepy fun. Creepy fun. So our focus fabric, of course, is in the alternate blocks here. And then our number 2 is so great. They're like dancing skeletons with a little top hat. I just love it. They go in the alternate block. And then our number 3 is this great orange that just really pops from the other 2. And it is kind of a curlicue spider web with a spider hanging, which is just darling. And of course, that is our sashing and our border here. So much fun.
You know, Fran, when you were showing this first fabric, I noticed something I haven't never seen with this fabric. The pumpkin has like these little curly cues in it, which look like the number 3, like it mimics the same swirl.
Even see, and you know, there's a lot of little things in here. There's kitties, and then the ravens, spiders. I didn't see the spiders. It's very cool.
Yeah, lots to look at with this quilt.
Lots of fun. Okay, this is called Ghostly Greetings. And the number is 8022509. And once again, the pattern is pretty simple from the Quilt Favorites book.
Next up, we've got So Easy, and it really is just that. This one will go together so fast, and you can put it together in no time and have your holiday decor ready to go.
And this is another pumpkin quilt that I love.
Yeah. So this one has pumpkins in a little bit of a different style, which I like because, you know, everyone has a different style.
Yeah,
Maybe
love it.
they like their pumpkins with faces or with no faces.
That's true. And this one definitely looks Thanksgiving, transitional. And I love that we've got the greens with it.
It's so pretty. It picks up the colors of the gourd so well. So this is your number 1, which is your pumpkins and gourds and things, and that'll go in your focus block here and in one of your borders. Then we have this wonderful green with these little like cross section. I never know what to call this.
Yeah, crosshatch. It's a great texture. It really is.
And then we've got a sunflower for our number 3, but it's on like an orange. It's really rich and warm, and you can see how it coordinates with these pumpkins just so well.
It is so great. And you know, Hannah, we're moving into that, we're in that fall season, we're Christmas season where we really start thinking about giving. So I want to be sure and remind everybody to subscribe if you haven't yet, ring that bell, because we have a very special episode coming up about giving. We don't want them to miss it. So what is the kit information on this? This is great.
This one is 8022510 Hayride. And the pattern is So Easy from Quilt Favorites.
Love hayrides. So our next quilt is So Quick, and what wonderful warm fall fabrics this is. We've got a nice big focus print here, a very interesting number 2 that coordinates perfectly well, and this great brown. Let's look at that fabric and talk about this quilt just a little more.
This one I think is so stunning.
It really is, and I really love this fabric. It's very different for fall, but it's it appeals to me so much. And it actually reminds me of those wooden flowers. Do you remember when you could get those? I used to go to the fair and they would have those wooden flowers there. That's what it makes me think of.
Yeah, like a little bouquet.
Yeah, and I just love it. So the focus goes in this big block number 1, which is the perfect scale for this block.
It's very pretty.
And then our number 2 picks up the perfect brown with all of these with a little bit of white. Great movement in the number 2 fabric. And it goes in all the little 4 patches here. And then to kind of help give it the pop, we've got this great brown that's got some texture to it for the border and also for the 4 patch. And I love that we have the darker brown with this, because when we do our quilting, like here you can see just a little bit of a butterfly and you can see all the quilting on the border. Love it when that happens. Just love it. Great frame.
So nice.
This one is called Everlasting Bouquet, and the number is 8022511, and it is the So Quick pattern from our favorites book.
Now we've got Simply Strips, and this one, I really like this one. It has a really nice movement in contrast, but it's so fast and easy. So let's put that on the table.
This one's great. You know, it's so amazing how every single quilt looks like fall, but every single quilt has like these different colors, like different color combinations. And
yeah, I like the kind of branching out to all these different colors. Like I love the use of this teal with these leaves.
Gorgeous
it's
color.
So nice. And it really accents that orange.
Yes.
It makes me think of like leaves falling and that crunchy feel you get and that smell.
The fall smell.
Which I love, like sitting out on the porch and just smelling fall.
It is. Fall's got to be my favorite season, for sure.
What about you? Is it your favorite season, or do you have a favorite thing you're looking forward to this fall? I'm looking forward to sitting on the porch and smelling fall. What about you?
That's great. That's a great tradition. I'd love to hear what everyone else loves about fall.
Yeah, let us know. The number 1 fabric, we've got these fantastic leaves on, which are kind of like a watercolor almost, or like they look like a painted leaf on this teal. And then we've got this orange swirl, or like light orangey cream, which will be your number 2, which really makes this pop off.
It does.
And then we've got our number 3, which is this really fun diamond, like this orange diamond. and that picks up all of the orange in there.
And I love the way that it works so well. It's a little bit directional, but it works so well on the border and in our block. It's really great. And what's interesting is I don't think about orange as being a color that I like, but whenever I'm seeing all of these, they're so beautiful. They really are.
So the kit information is 8022512 Simply Fall, and that is from the Simply Strips pattern from Quilt Favorites.
Seeing all of the patterns from 3-Yard Quilt Favorites in fall fabrics is so fun.
Yeah, it's amazing how just the fabric type changes the whole look of a quilt.
Yes, it really does.
Yeah. Well, is there a book that you would like to see us change up? Do in a different theme? Let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we'd love to see that. We love getting ideas for new videos.
Yeah.
So thanks so much for joining us. It's Fran Morgan
And Hannah with Fabric Cafe.